morning, guys. This is Jay with Inspired Designs with Jay, and today is Mind My Business Mondays. And today's video is the spread for March 9th through the 15th. And it is a simple spread. I just wanted to come on and give you a quick peek at what I did for my spread this week. It will not be a plan with me today due to just time. Right now it is probably about 6:15 in the morning Central Standard Time, and I'm just trying to get everything in as quickly as I can and get this uploaded. I want to thank you for watching my videos. I do truly appreciate it. And I got some really great things coming up here pretty soon. And I have a couple clients that I'm so excited about for the inspired design portion of my videos. And I'm just so grateful that this journey, where this journey is bringing me. So I really thank you. This spread, back to the spread. This spread is, again, very simple, not too much going on. I use the teacher planner layout, and I put my subjects down the side here, and I put the dates across the top. And I just plan accordingly. You know, whatever I need to do from home, it goes across the top. And whatever I need to do for work, it goes across as well, the second row. And Inspired Designs with Jay goes across the third row. Impresse, which is my hair care line, goes across the fourth line. And the last but not least, WhimsiDaisi, which is my planner covers. And I put out there that I was going to get them done by March 1st, but that's not happening. The colors are not coming out the way that I want on the other ones. And so I am looking for a different printer to finish those off and get those out to you if you're interested. There are some that are available, but the color is not true as well. So just look for it in upcoming videos on Mondays. I am going to also start showing you client information, not information, but how I'm going to be designing their home. And on My Business Mondays, as well as how I redesign my own home, which is coming soon because I've already put together a video for that, and I just have to edit it and upload it to you. And also my product lines and hair care line, and some other things that I have going on. So I just wanted to come on here really quickly and shoot this video for you and give you an idea of what's to come and how I planned for this week. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that notifications bell, like, comment, share my videos. That helps me out so much. And if you're on Instagram, you can follow me there. I'm also on Facebook. It's at Inspired Designs with Jae. So all platforms are Inspired Design with Jae. So if you would so please to do so, subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. I truly appreciate it. You guys have a great rest of your day. Be productive and make it happen. Have a good one.